Hey guys, in front of me Asus Zenfone 6 and I want to show you how to change keyboard theme on this device. So open settings, scroll down and click on the system. Now click on the languages and input, go to the virtual keyboard, Gboard, and now click on the theme. And for example we will going for the red theme and now choose apply. So when we go to the messages, click start chat, our keyboard now is red. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions, comments below, and of course visit our website HardReset.Info and Instagram HardReset.Info. Thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.